Hi guys, and welcome back. I have another grocery haul for you today. I just got back from picking up our groceries. I laid everything out on the table. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. This is for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks if I can stretch it. I don't cook dinner every night. Sometimes we just have random dinner nights where I just make the kids whatever, and then I end up having cereal or something for dinner, and Greg will bring home pizza or just pick something up for himself on the way home. So I don't cook dinner every night, so this should last more than a week at least. And I believe I spent, hold on, I threw out my receipt, but it was like $140 or like $142, something like that. Everything is from Shoprite. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn this camera around. I'll show you everything, and I'll also let you know what I'm planning on making with the stuff that I bought. So here is a quick overview of everything. I'm gonna start over here though, because this is all my cold stuff and I wanna put that back away. But up here I just have a package of spring mix. I've been using this for salad. If I feel like having just a quick salad, I'll just have that with some dressing. And I've also been making turkey wraps for lunch. So I'll put like the lettuce and then turkey and then like ranch dressing on it and wrap it up. It's really good. So I got that. I also got some baby spinach. I like to put this in eggs. And I was planning on doing scrambled eggs and bacon one night, and I just wanted some spinach to add to my eggs. I also got Minute Maid orange juice. We're getting into the season now of like colds and just illnesses, and I don't know, I like to have orange juice in the house to kind of like get some more vitamin C. So I got that. I also got the Almond Breeze vanilla unsweetened almond milk. This is what I drink because I don't drink milk anymore because of Noah and spitting up and everything. So I'm trying to take it easy on the milk and dairy in general. But yeah, this is the one that I like. I also got some baby carrots, some butter. I got 2 packages of this, I think it's Yoplait, isn't it? Yoplait, Yo Crunch, M&M yogurt. Chase and Madison both really like that. I got a box of these Eggo cinnamon toast waffles, a container of cream cheese. This is for Madison because we have like a couple packages of the Thomas's bagels, and she's been having those for breakfast, but she's been asking for cream cheese, so I got her that. Unfortunately, I can't eat this right now. I also got a frozen bag of green beans and some frozen broccoli. Darn it, I didn't know that I got the steam in the bag. Oh well, I guess that will be fine. And then I have 3 packages of chicken breasts. 1, 2, 3, and they're all about like a pound or 1.3 pounds, around there. I was hoping that it would be a little bit more. I think I have to specify next time when I do my order that I want it closer to like a pound and a half if they can. I think like 1 package probably won't be enough for a meal. So I don't know, I was hoping to be able to make 3 meals, but I think I'm gonna have to split this and just make 2 meals. Then I got some sliced bacon. Madison really likes bacon, so I figured that will make my egg dinner a little bit more exciting. And then I got this London broil. It's called a beef top round London broil, and I'm gonna use this for the crock pot. I actually did try to make this crock pot meal last week or the week before or something, and my crock pot didn't turn on. I went out and I came back like 4 hours later and the crock pot was still cold, and I had to throw the meat out and everything. So that was a bummer, but I'm trying again, so I got that again. And I think I skipped this, but I got some ground beef, 93% lean. I'm gonna try to make little mini cheeseburgers in our air fryer. We'll see how that goes. Got the cold stuff back in the fridge. Now onto the rest of it. I got a package of Hungry Jack mashed potatoes. Normally I'll just make instant mashed potatoes because just making real mashed potatoes takes too long and I don't have time for that these days, so instant mashed potatoes all the way. I got 2 packages of the Entenmann's Little Bites. I just got the fudge brownie ones and then the party cake muffins. These were on sale. I think they were like $1 off or 2 for $5 or something like that. I also got 3 cans of Pringles sour cream, also for Madison. Well, Chase likes them too, but these were on sale, 3 for $6. I got some honey mustard. I'm planning on making chicken tenders one night for dinner. That was going to be one of my dinners with the chicken that I bought, but I wanted like a sauce, so I decided to try this one. I've never tried it before. Let me know if you tried it and if you like it or not. Hopefully it's good. And then I just got some mayonnaise and some spicy brown mustard. I got a package of Oreos again. These are just always on sale and I can't pass it up. If they're on sale, I need to get them, especially because Oreos are vegan and it makes me feel like I'm healthy. I also got 3 like seasoning packets. I got the brown gravy, less sodium, ranch, and Italian, again for my London broil that I tried to make that got ruined last time. I needed to buy the seasoning packets again for that. I got a package of just white rice. And then I got our bread. Normally we buy bread in a 2-pack from Costco or BJ's, but I don't think we're going to Costco soon enough, and we needed bread. So I got it from Shoprite this time, so I just got this kind. I don't know, I like the bread that looks more like a rectangle rather than a square, so I always go for that. And this one's good. And then I just got the Arnold whole grain 12 grain bread. That's for me. I use that for toast and sandwiches. I also got some flour tortillas. I use these for quesadillas for the kids for like an easy dinner, but this time I bought them to use for chicken tacos. We're gonna do chicken tacos one night. So yeah, tortillas are for that. And then over here I got a box of rotini pasta. I don't think I wrote this down as one of my dinners, but I like to have this in the house just in case. I just want to do a quick easy dinner of like pasta and green beans. Always like to have some pasta, and I already have pasta sauce, so we're good. This sauce I just buy like these tiny little cans of Hunt's sauce. It's like super plain sauce. There's like nothing in it. Madison really likes it, and yeah, I just buy like the tiniest cans that I can because sometimes I'll just make her spaghetti at night if I'm doing like a random dinner night and just making whatever. She really likes spaghetti and it's super easy, so I got her 3 of those. And then I got Chi-Chi's mild salsa. This is for chicken tacos. I got 5 cans of tuna and then 2 cans of black beans. I'm gonna use some of these for my chicken tacos, and then I just like to keep another can on hand just in case I need it. I got a bag of russet potatoes because I want to make Noah some potatoes for baby food, and I just wanted it to be plain. Like I didn't want to give him like instant potatoes, that wouldn't be good. And I couldn't find like when I was ordering how to order just like a couple potatoes, so I ended up getting a bag, and I figured, I don't know, maybe I'll decide to make real mashed potatoes one night for dinner. Probably not, but at least now I have the option. Then I got this Earth's Best whole grain oatmeal cereal. This is for Noah. I never gave him this before, but I'm really excited to try it with him. I think he's gonna love it, especially if I put like some fruit in it. Yeah, I think he's really gonna enjoy that. So I got that for him, and then I also got a couple of the Beech Nut jarred baby foods just to keep on hand because it's easy. I got him carrots, green beans, and sweet potatoes. And then I got 2 of these. I've never tried these before, but they're just called Beech Nut Fruities on the go. And these have all things in them that he's already had, so I was okay with like mixing different things. But I figured these would be easy if I'm going out somewhere and I want to just be able to grab something to feed him while we're out. So I just got 2 of those. So that's all the groceries that I got, and I think I mentioned all of the dinners that I'm planning on making. I just checked my list though, and I did write down pasta and chicken nuggets as a dinner because I have a ton of like dino chicken nuggets in the freezer that Chase doesn't like, and I kind of just want to eat them up. So I'm either going to do that, or I'll make the chicken tenders and I'll make extra. I should probably be able to make extra because I'm going to use like more chicken than usual, I think. And then so I'll have the chicken tenders, and then the next night we can do pasta with like leftover chicken tenders on the side, and it kind of makes it a little bit of a better meal, I feel like, rather than just pasta. Because I don't know, I think this goes for everybody, but whenever I make pasta, like I'll be full, and then like 45 minutes later or like an hour later I'm like starving. So making extra chicken and then using that chicken in the next night's dinner has been working out for us. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. If you did, make sure to thumbs up this video for me. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd love to have you join my little YouTube family. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.